First, go to the search menu in Windows and type System. A System Information option will appear. Click on it to check your system model. Next, search for this exact model on Google. Once you find it, click on the link and then select Download. After the download is complete, extract the file. Copy the extracted file and paste it into the drive of your choice. In my case, it's the D drive. Restart your system and press the Delete key on your keyboard repeatedly until the BIOS screen appears. Once you're in the BIOS menu, click on M-Flash and then confirm by clicking Yes. The system will restart and enter BIOS flash mode. Next, select the disk where you've copied your BIOS file. It's the last one in this case. Click on the folder name on the right, then select the BIOS file. The BIOS update process will begin. Wait for it to complete and you're done.